Hello from chapter 8, video number 20, page number 18. Okay, so continue our application of air pressure in our life. 日常生活用到的 air pressure. Okay, so our next example will be shearings 针筒. So why the shearings can absorb the water, sucking the water 吸水，其实没有吸，只有推，对不对？ Okay, so now let's say, so now I put the shearing needle into the water. Why the water not entering the shearings? 为什么水没有直接跑进去呢？ Simple. So at the beginning, before I do anything, the pressure inside the cylinder actually same as the atmospheric pressure. 因为刚才我们的针筒在外面，它跟外面是接触到的。The air pressure outside same as the pressure inside the shearings, 对不对？ So now, in order to shut in the water or take in the water, I need to pull the plunger. 我必须把那只东西呢拉上来。So now what happened? For you, what you say, sucking the water, 把水吸上去，对不对？ So why when you putting the plunger, the water entering the shearings, 水就跑进去呢？ Okay, so when you putting the plunger, the volume of the gas become bigger. 气体的体积增加了 and air pressure become lower. When the air pressure inside the cylinder become lower, higher atmospheric pressure push on the water surface, 推着水的表面 and force the water rise into the cylinder, 把水呢逼进去，对不对？ 所以这边的压力一低，马上没有等啊，同时发生 higher atmospheric pressure push on the water surface and force the water entering the shearings, 然后就把我们的水呢推上去 ，OK， so this is how the shearings work. 针筒到底怎样做工的？它怎样吸，怎样喷水出来 ？OK， so copy on your notes, page number 18, shearings 针筒 ，OK， 抄在这边 shearings 针筒 ，that's all， 这样子就可以了，明白就可以了。Next， good. Next. Another example, vacuum cleaner, 吸尘机. So for vacuum cleaner, we call 吸尘机, but actually the name is not good. 它的名字不好. We should call it as 推尘机. Why? Because the dust actually is push, 是推进去的，不是被吸的。OK， 又在乱人讲话了，对不对？不要紧张，我们来看一下。推还是吸呢？ Our vacuum cleaner actually they work by using the principle called Bernoulli principle. Bernoulli principle actually is not in our syllabus, but I am capable 啦。你知道我天生 capable 的，对不对？生出来就是这样 capable. So let me teach you what's mean by Bernoulli principle. And this principle maybe spend me 5 minutes， 可能花了我5分钟。But finally, you know more about air pressure， 就这样简单罢了。OK， 什么叫 Bernoulli principle？Prepare experiment 准备实验。So tonight 今晚啊，7月的晚上 midnight 半夜。Okay, you on the tap water as fast as possible. Let your tap water run as fast as possible. 给你的水流得更快，越快越好。And now hold a piece of A4 paper beside the tap water. 在自来水的旁边呢，拿着一张 A4 paper. Okay, tell me. If you put the A4 paper beside the tap water, the paper going to push away by the water, 被推开 or the paper will be absorbed by the water, 被吸过来 to the B. So A 被推走 B 被吸过来 A or B? Nobody tell me answer, 听也听不到，这种叫网课咯。OK， 自己讲自己 happy， 自己孤孤单单。OK， 网课。Okay, so the answer is B. The paper will be absorbed. 那张纸呢被吸过来。But why? 为什么呢？ Bernoulli principle explain these conditions. Bernoulli principle 解释这种情况给你听。为什么呢？一句话罢了。Okay, 那一句话就是 The faster the fluid flow. 当流体流得越快 the lower the pressure inside. 当流体流得越快，里面的压力呢就会更低。So when you're running, tap water run very fast, the pressure become low. Once the pressure become low, atmospheric pressure, 大气层的气压100千粒苹果 push the paper, so the paper move towards the running tap water 啦，纸呢就跑去你的水这边了。Understand? Next. Okay, so now they say finish your Form 3, finish your Form 5, all your friend, 你们的一大堆朋友 ，OK? You go to land's apartment beside the seaside， 在海边呢租了一间 apartment， 全部那间 gathering 聚会，对不对 ？So after playing in the sea water, you go to the bathroom， 你回去你的 apartment 的 bathroom and having the high pressure shower， 对不对？那边有高压力的花洒，所以 you go to bath， 你开始冲凉了。Okay, so when you are bath, the bath tower, the bath tube 那条布啊 ，the bath tube 是吗？他们叫 bath tube 还是 bath tower 不知道。They move slowly, it moves slowly towards your body and touch your backside， 摸到你的后面。奇怪 ，Why the goats can move and touch me？ 为什么那条布呢能自己动来动我，然后飘过来动到我的屁股的呢 ？So you off the shower, OK， 你关掉 ，and the goats move away， 那条布呢又在走开了 ，OK， 又在飘走了，飘了，明白吗？听说这边不干净，对不对 ？So now you're on the shower again， 应该是没有事啊，再次冲凉 ，and the goats finally move again and go behind your body， 又动到你了，有点怪怪了。And what to do？Run， 对不对？糟啊 ，OK。So when you come up， 鬼故事就开始了。快乐的一个晚上，大家都很快乐了，对不对？有故事讲了。So why 其实是为什么呢 ？Bernoulli principle 这个 principle 解释的 ，OK。So the faster the fluid flow， 当流体流得更快，它的压力就更低。So when the high pressure shower, the water run very fast, the pressure for this part become very low. High atmospheric pressure push on the bathtub or bathtub， 我也不知道它叫什么呢 ，move towards your body。原来是这样 ，There's no ghost， 其实不是鬼来的，其实这种就是气压造成的，小哥对不对？鬼故事满天讲 ，OK。Or sometimes hot air and cool air they meet together。They turn very fast, they produce a lower pressure at the center. 因为它转得很快，压力很低，对不对 ？And they become the twister of the Reno， 也就是龙卷风。So when the pressure become very low, higher atmospheric pressure, they push your body, push your lorry, push your Christmas tree, push your washing machine, push your puppy, okay? Push to the center， 把你全部呢推进去。因为中间转得很快，压力降低，大气层的100千粒苹果把我们全部推进去。And when you fall down， 当你跌回来的时候 ，What you say to your friend？ 你跟你的朋友讲什么呢？刚才龙卷风把我吸上去，你敢讲，我不敢听，吸上去 ，OK？ 那一句话我不是很敢听了，吸上去 ，OK？ 推的。Next， 再来 ，water pump。Why the water pump can pump water and the water will be spray up， 对不对？喷出来呢？奇怪。So when you on the switch, the motor inside turn very fast. When it turn very fast, pressure become low， 压力变得很低。压力低啊 ，higher atmospheric pressure push on the water， 推着那个水，水呢就被推出来了。哦，原来是这样。A vacuum cleaner, when you on the switch, the vacuum cleaner motor turn very fast。When the motor turn very fast, the pressure become very low， 对不对？当它转得很快，里面的压力降低。Higher atmospheric pressure push your dust, push your rubber band, push your money, push your hair， 头发最多，妈咪的头发最多了。OK， towards your vacuum cleaner。所以这种叫吸尘机吗？我不同意了。I should call it as 推尘机，只有推，没有吸。In science, so copy。Vacuum cleaner Bernoulli principle， 它用的就是这个原理。So continue to think 啦 ，OK？ Bernoulli principle。So you can copy the principle free， 没有 charge 你的，虽然不在你的 syllabus， 多教也没有 charge 你。The faster the fluid flow, the lower the pressure。流体流得越快，它的压力就会更低，明白吗？就造成了很多奇奇怪怪的东西，推不是吸 ，OK？OK， 不一点点多一点点啊。Bernoulli principle actually can make the aircraft fly。因为 Bernoulli principle， 我们的飞机呢就飞了，你相信吗 ？OK， 你不相信，我讲一点点东西给你听，你同意吗？你敢听吗 ？OK，So aircraft or airflights or aeroplane actually is created by what？ 谁发明的呢 ？By 莱特兄弟啊，对不对？莱特兄弟，美国的一对兄弟。OK， 这一对兄弟呢，他们有一个外号，两个外号。第一个外号叫捉鸟兄弟，第二个叫做残忍的兄弟。You know why? Okay, well, they studied the aeroplane for so many years, but the aeroplane cannot fly， 飞不起。And when they go swimming for backstroke， 他上游泳的时候，他游那个 backstroke 啊，倒反游的时候 ，they can see all the birds fly。所有的鸟都在飞，轻轻松松的飞。Even the butterfly， 这样小只的 butterfly， 风这样大也能飞。And why our aeroplane cannot fly? So that's why they are become angry 了，他们就生气了。They catch a lot of birds， 变成捉鸟兄弟。And after they catch the birds, they cut their wings， 他们切它的翅膀。And after so many wings they cut, they found that 他们发现到一件事情。All the wings of the birds, if you cut them and you look from the side， 你在旁边看过来啊 ，it's shaped like this。它的形状大致上是这样子的。Okay, and they don't know why, and finally start the study 啦，就开始研究为什么呢？为什么鸟类的翅膀都要这个形状呢 ？Okay， 你看啊 ，when the birds fly forward or when the aeroplane fly forwards, and because of the flat surface， 下面的平表面 air flow very slow， 空气流动比较慢。Okay， because of the air flow very slow, the pressure actually will be 它流得越快，压力越低。Still remember? So because the airflow very slow, so the pressure will be high. 它的压力呢其实是高的。Okay? But compared to the upper part， 上面就不一样。Because of the shape 啊，因为它的形状的关系 ，the air have to pass through a longer distance。空气呢必须走过更长的路啊。So the air flow faster。这边上面呢，因为它创风啊，空气流得比较快。Pressure become lower， 压力呢变成比较低。So pressure high, pressure low. Finally, what happened? The high pressure going to push the wings, and the wing start to float， 就浮起来了，对不对？原来飞机飞只用了这个原理，就叫 Bernoulli principle， 明白吗 ？OK， 就是流体流得越快，它的压力就更低。That's all, so simple. Okay. Next, besides this, any example of application of air pressure in our life? Okay, next, condensed milk 炼乳 ，condensed milk 就是浓浓的那种炼乳，甜甜的炼乳啦。Okay, so one day, let's say your mom, okay, buy the condensed milk. Now make a hole 做了一个洞，对不对 ？And try to pour up the milk， 要把它倒出来。But the milk flow up very slow， 流得很慢，很慢，越流越尖，越流越尖。And now you try to put on the blade， 它动到你的面包还打圆圈，对不对 ？So why so slow? So your mom call her friend， 打电话给她朋友，这样给她流出来。And their friend， 她的朋友啦 ，her friend say make 2 hole 做2个洞。So your mom make another hole， 她把2个洞呢钉在一起，2个洞。So now 2 flows of milk flow up， 2条一起流出来，像流鼻涕，很慢，很慢。Okay， touch on the blade and turn the circle together. Look very nice， 感觉很好，看它转圆圈的感觉非常不错，明白吗 ？So this is the condensed milk. So how to make the milk flow up faster？ 怎样呢？不知道，对不对 ？Okay. So this is a condensed milk with 1 hole， 只有一个洞的 condensed milk， 它流得不好。So a can of condensed milk with 1 hole。Milk does not flow up easily due to the high pressure outside the can. 里面没有空气，外面的空气多，压力高，流不出。Okay， 流不出。So how to make it easier, flow up easier? Make another hole, but not beside, opposite， 钉在对面，不是钉在旁边。Okay， so make another small hole opposite the first hole.Okay, so now air can entering the cans. When the air entering the can, pressure become higher. They push up the milk. They push out the milk. 它把牛奶丢出来。这边呢，地心引力又帮忙拉下去。That's why they flow up faster. 它就流得比较快了。So a can of condensed milk with 2 holes. So the milk flow up easily because of the air pressure 啦。第2个洞给空气跑进去，压着牛奶，给牛奶流出来。So this is what happened. 这就是发生的事情。Understand? Application of air pressure in our life. That's all. I'm very sorry about the Bernoulli principle that I gave just now. 不过，因为我认为 ，if I give you the Bernoulli principle, start from today， 不用等到你老， 也不用等你拿理科才会明白，你一辈子都会明白这种原理，然后每天都想着这种原理，对不对？非常有趣的，明白吗？过得很快乐生活，拜拜。